In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get this Pokemon Go map. It tells you where to find the Pokemon, when they despawn, and where the gyms and Pokestops are. The first thing you need to do is to download Python 2.7, so click here. Now we need to install pip, so go to the next website, right click and save as. Go to your desktop and click save. Now we need to install the Pokemon Go program, so we go down here and click download. Finally we need to get an activation key, so when you get to this site, click on get a key, continue, then select no and yes and agree and continue. When you get here, name your project whatever you want and click create. Now you will get your API key, which you want to copy and save in a notepad document for later. You should now have 4 things: the Python 2.7 installation, the get-pip Python file, the Pokemon Go map program, and the Google Maps API key. So first you want to install Python, then run the get-pip, then you should extract this file. After the file is extracted, you want to open it and hold shift and right click and then click on open command window here. You then want to copy the text from step 5 in the description and click right click, edit and paste and run that. This will be different to you because I already have it installed, so when this is done you can close it and then go to easy setup. Here you should have a file called setup which you want to open and run. When it asks you to enter your Google API key, you have to copy it and then click on right click, edit and paste, and then press enter and then close that when it's done. Now that the installation is complete, you want to know how to run the program. Copy these from the description. The top one is if you're using a Pokemon Trainer account, whereas the bottom one is if you're using a Google account. Replace the username and password with your actual account username and password without the square brackets. The number after the -st is the steps away from your location that you enter. Then you want to copy and paste your key where it says Google Maps API key, and the location must still be in the quotations, but it must not have the square brackets, and you basically just put what you would use if you were going to search it on Google Maps, or just use the coordinates. I recommend writing all this information and saving it on a notepad document so that you can easily copy and paste and run the program whenever you want. Here is an example I've written before, so I'm just going to copy that and then go and run the program. To run the program you want to go to this file, then hold shift and right click and then click on open command window here. You want to then right click, edit, paste and then press enter to run it. So as you can see, it's saying completed 2% or whatever, and it'll be scanning and doing all that. Basically the program is currently running and it's created the map for you, so now you just need to open the map. To open up the map, just open up any browser and go to the URL and enter localhost 5000 and press enter. It will then load up the map and it will have everything that you need. So that's it for the main installation. Now I'm going to show you how you can open it on other computers or phones or laptops or tablets or whatever. So to be able to access the map from anywhere, you want to go to this website and download the appropriate version. Now extract that file and then open up ngrok. It will open up a command prompt where you have to input ngrok space http space 5000 and then press enter. It will give you 2 forwarding URLs, which is what you're going to be using on your phones. You can use this to access the site from anywhere on any internet connection, but your home router and computer must be on or else it won't work. So if you just input that address into any browser, you can just press enter and it will open up the site for you, and you can see the whole map from your phone and all that good stuff.